Hello, it's Don. Working on the Panga again. So, I say working on the Panga. Had to work on the trailer again. The trailer wasn't working right. We went out in it yesterday, a couple days ago now, for the water trial. It worked great. The boat ran great. The motor ran great. Did everything I wanted to do. The trailer wasn't working so good when we bring the boat back on the trailer. All it had in the front was this I call it this banana bunk here, this centering guide. And you can see on the top edge here where it was just eating into this, and it was eating into the gel coat all the same way. So I call that apparatus a POS. That is a piece of something we don't want on our trailer. So it's beating up the boat. I got to fix the gel coat up here. It was a little beat up anyways. Now I know why. Let me get down here on the ground. See if you can see that, but it actually got into it. So that's all easy enough to fix. Well, so what I did is I've added a secondary set of bunks on the front half of this trailer. See how good this shows underneath here. But this starts all the way back there at midships, and from the axle all the way forward to this front assembly, and that's grabbing this bottom right outside of the delta pad there, so in the V. So what that'll do is as that boat's coming on, it's going to grab it and center it and give it lift. It'll lift that bow long before it can hit anything underneath there. So that is going to be a vast improvement, The only way you could do it with that other POS on there was to literally just barely get the trailer in the water and crank the boat up the whole way, because if the back floated up at all, it literally would crash that thing. It was bad. So anyways, that was today's project. We got the trailer is all straightened out now. It's done. It's going to work great. I know I've done this before to other trailers, and I've been real pleased. I got some aluminum wheels for it. We'll put that on there, but that won't make it work any better. All the lights are good, so I don't have to mess with that. So I think next up is going to be the bait well tank, and I'm pretty sure we're going to cut that right into the back here. We're going to cut out a section, and so it'll be half in and half out. That should work out real nice, but I want to do some more thinking on that. Measure twice, cut once. Think for a week before you cut out the back of your boat. Make sure you're doing what you want to do. Okay, so that's it today. This is a fast and easy one. Fast and easy video, not a fast and easy job. Took me a few hours to fab all that up and get it done, but it come out good. So have a great day.